This video will describe the analysis of an interview with a member of an education advocacy group. This assignment is worth 50 points. So the first thing that you would need to do is to identify an advocacy group that works on an issue concerning urban education, preferably an issue that we've been talking about in class. You'll contact the group and identify an individual with whom you will conduct an interview. The interview can be done in a number of ways. It can be done in person if you have the ability to go to wherever the group meets. It can be done through an online medium such as Skype or Zoom or Google Hangouts, or it can be done simply through sending a list of questions and asking the person to send you back written responses. If you do it the third way, you may want to have a follow-up where you either have a phone conversation or just, again, sending follow-up questions like, what did you mean by this? Or would you consider blah, blah, blah. So once you've identified who you're going to interview, you will develop a list of questions that pertain to the material that we've been learning in class. I want you to be creative in your questions. So don't ask things that you already know. You may ask some of those questions, but you want to find out new information. So what is this person's opinion on perhaps No Child Left Behind or transportation in Baltimore City? How does that affect education? Again, if you already think you know the answer, you want to flesh that out into a deeper level question. Once you've completed your interview, you'll analyze the results and write a 500-word essay on what you learned. So the essay is relatively short. You'll turn in the following: the names and the occupations of those you interviewed. For this particular assignment, you only need to interview one person, but if you do interview more, you could give those names. A list of the questions that you used. I don't need to see the answers. Those are for you to see and to analyze, and then your 500-word essay. The essay will show that what you've learned from the process and will have some reference to one or more of the advocacy issues that we have discussed in class. Your grammar usage in APA will be graded under usage points for the semester. If you have questions, please feel free to submit your questions to the forum for questions on Moodle.